Here's an update on the GE fridge filter, the water filter XWFE GE refrigerator water filter that I bought October of 2024. Supposed to be you have to change it every 6 months, but the light hasn't turned red yet for filter since I don't use a lot of water from the fridge. But here's just a quick update on how to change the filter. At the very beginning, you make sure you look at the model of your fridge just to make sure. I will show the Amazon purchase that I did, just so you know the description of this in Amazon. But here's the water filter removal steps. So basically, you'll just go into the door of the fridge and open the water filter covering, and then you cannot just pull it out. You have to twist it counterclockwise so you can pull it out. And then in order to replace it, once you've ordered your new filter, you are going to just push it back in, but make sure because there's like two round circles that you would have to match in, but it could take a little bit if you don't match that side. So make sure you fit the filter into the filter holder, and then as soon as you push it in, make sure you twist it clockwise so it's locked, and then close that filter door covering. And then now you would need to fill up a couple of this for your new waters just to test the filter to make sure that it works or it worked. You know that the filter change did not work if the water does not flow when you test it.